goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boo! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dino runs in with Dr. Bag, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while. Soon you'll get your happy smile. What? He gives a sticker, shiny star. Brave Kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you helped me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap. All is good, no more scare. Health is fun when friends care.
Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way to go.
I'm feeling so much better. Let's dance.
Yes, health is a grand victory.
Yay! Hooray for Kitty.
Hi, Mom. Can I see my shop? Wow. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 bubble blast is deep. Pillows falling very fast. Kitty laughs. What is that? A splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh, no, no. What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise. A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? He looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops so loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screambow chaos everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me.
Party ever.
5 skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone. Hit the rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi, no take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. No! Kitty called Inspector and Inspector said, "Poor Faye, stay away from this farm tonight." Three skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, "This is not your place." They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, "No more stealing eggs tonight." Two skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said, "No, no, no." One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. One skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pool. He saw her and started to flee. "No more eggs for me, I'm free." Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning lights. No
Look, more
more
eggs by the barn.
stealing eggs
Almost got them all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
Wow! Farm school opens today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, 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 what a show! Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like Teacher Kitty says, "Sit, sit, please." Cow goes mute. "I eat my cheese." Cow starts chewing desk instead. Bugs bounce over her head. Whoa, moo moo, sit, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splash, splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, "What, none?" Pig says, "Drums, this is fun." Oink, oink, oink. Slow, slow, slow. Pig is running like the show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, "What? Please." Rooster shouts, "No, no, no, ease." Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh, hey. Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba, 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 everywhere. Duck slides in with splash, splash. Ink spills in a colorful crash. Let Kitty shout, "Calm down now." But animals don't know how. Ba, 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 splash, splash, splash. Classroom turns into a crash. Goat enters, eats the board. Chalk table, everything ignored. He says, "Munch, munch, yummy, test." Kitty sighs, "This is a mess." Munch, 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 stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty claps, "Listen all. Farm school is not a mall." She shows sit, walk quiet to her. Animals try to copy her too. Slowly, slowly they learn today. Behave is fun, they all say right. Farm school now is fun and bright. Learning how to do things right. Moo, oink, ba, and cock-a-doodle too. Good behavior starts with you. Farm school, E-I-E-I-O. Now they know how to go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Five cute skeletons riding on the bus, laughing and dancing lots of fuss. Kitty is driving through the town today, but silly skeletons won't behave. Ride in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Five cute skeletons riding on the bus, wiggling bones and making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Kitty called the owl and the owl then said, no more dancing on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Four cute skeletons riding on the bus, singing loud and causing fuss. One slipped down and broke the horn. Kitty called the ghost and the ghost then warned, stop the jumping on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Two cute skeletons riding on the bus, shaking bones and making fuss. One fell down and broke the seat. Kitty called the mommy down the street. No more dancing on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Two cute skeletons riding on the bus, dancing fast and making fuss. One spun round and broke the wheel. Kitty laughed, let's fix it tonight. Slow down, spooky bus today. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. One cute skeleton's riding on the bus. Now they're careful, no more fuss. Kitty drives and sings all night. Spooky bus ride feels alright. Ride in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons, talk, come back. All cute skeletons riding on the bus. Now they're careful, no more fuss. Kitty drives and sings all night. Spooky bus ride feels alright. Riding the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons stomp their feet. Kitty drives and laughs with glee. Spooky bus fun for you and me. Oh no, no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me.
Try this
Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling rake. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Duh. jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. J. Farmer shouts, help me please. Cow says, moo, I need these. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, open wide. Cow goes, moo, I tried. Moo, she gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at that. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. 3. Farmer laughs. Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty. Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. No damn dirt, no. All animals clap and cheer. Love a clip. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. Cow is dancing, feeling fine. Sun is shining, farm is shining. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And Kitty saved it, don't you know? Moo moo happy, loud and free. Ghost from ever jiffy. To Kitty.